Day 3 of married life. I will make breakfast. What? I need to do something productive. Productive, really? Okay, we have 4 eggs. And I think we need to buy eggs.
Eggs? Yes, what's eggs?
I will make bread toast. You love it. You love bread toast. It's so tasty.
Okay, so on that video, I'm removing the crust on the bread because we were planning to make a French toast. It's a very soft French toast. It's really delicious. Okay, that time I said oh no because my husband said that he wants to eat those crusts, and I didn't know he wants to because I just follow the process on the video that before making the soft French toast you can remove the crust. But anyway, next time I will include the crust as my husband requested. Okay, so let's move on and keep on continuing preparing the bread, and I will refrigerate the leftover because you can still eat that one. Alright, so just keep on waiting and preparing some ingredients to make the soft French toast. I hope you can try also. There you go. I prepared 2 eggs. Okay, just crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Make sure that you can add also another egg if you have more bread to soak on it. So successfully crack the 2 eggs, and I will just stir it properly, and then I will add there some milk. Okay, milk will add more taste and softness on the bread once you soak it. We use also that milk for making coffee or making bread. It's really tasty. It's called half and half milk. I'm gonna also use the butter to toast the bread. It's healthier and yummier, and I put some salt to add some taste as well, and I believe I put there the honey. Okay, mix. There you go.
Let's cook.
There you go. This is our breakfast in our 3rd day of marriage. French toast with peanut butter and sunny eggs. Let's eat. Thank you for watching.